it just, something they don't really tell you about Skoolie life is like, um, it's hard, man. It's fucking hard, and it doesn't, it's not easy. Things go wrong, and it's really frustrating. Alrighty guys, what's going on? Cody here from Escapade Made. It is Saturday at 4:28 in the afternoon. Beautiful afternoon. I mean, it's like that weather where like you're not sweating and you're also not cold. So I love it. As you could probably see, if you want to, check out my last video. Links in the description where we went ahead and we riveted these panels, these skins up here. So it's a pretty fun day. It's last weekend. But now what we have to do is pretty much do the same thing, but for the bumper bar. So we have to drill out these holes with the 17/64 drill bit, and then just go back in there and rivet it. Today's just gonna be just kind of grinding away at it. Each bus bar, I'm gonna go ahead and say, has probably like 100 holes to drill. I mean, look at that, boom, 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 boom. It's right down the line. So this is gonna take a long time. We're just gonna try to knock it out and put some music on. Let's just go ahead and get into this thing, get this thing finished before the end of the day. I'm thinking this will probably take me 3 or 4 hours. So let's just go ahead and do it, baby. Easy. Settle down.
The next day.
Good morning, guys. It is 8:14 on a Sunday morning. I couldn't finish last night. I just got way too tired. My back started hurting, and I was just like, I don't want to do this right now. So I stayed out till about 10 o'clock, and then I just called it a night. So today, we are back at the storage, and all we're going to be doing today is riveting. I mean, I have all the holes drilled out. I have all the holes deburred, which is what I did last night. I did some deburring last night. And yeah, we're just gonna go in here and knock it out. It's gonna take a little bit of time, but I'm confident we have the compressor, we have all the rivets we need. So yeah, this should be easy, should be. But I know this bus, I know this style of construction way too well to know that something's gonna go wrong. Something always goes wrong, and you just gotta deal with it on the fly. So let's go ahead and get into it, guys, and let's get to riveting. Alrighty guys, so we went ahead and got the one side of the bus done with the rivets, which was awesome, but just like anything else in Skoolie life, stuff's gonna come up. So I was doing the riveting on the other side, and literally the rivet got stuck in the rivet gun. Like, I can't get it out, and I've basically sat here for the past 10-15 minutes trying to get this out, and now it won't even go back. Fuck. It's just frustrating. So, and on top of that, we ran out of rivets. So, oh, and my drill broke. too. That's stuck. It just doesn't work. So luckily I got a warranty on the drill. I'm pretty sure I'm still in the 90-day warranty for the rivet gun. But this is not something we're gonna finish today. So a little deflated. It just, you know, something they don't really tell you about Skoolie life is like, it's hard, man. It's fucking hard. And it doesn't, you know, it's not easy. Things go wrong. You know, I'm pretty sure it's going to be rewarding once I'm out on the road and doing my thing. I mean, obviously things are going to come up, but it's really hard to not get down, you know, when things like this happen, when you plan out days and when you know, plan out this and that, and then it just doesn't even happen. It's really frustrating. Another thing is, like, it's not worth it to do this when you're frustrated, because I don't want to suck the fun out of this, because it is fun putting it together, and I'm well aware that once this whole thing's done, I'll be very satisfied. You know, I don't want to suck the life out of this. I don't want to make it not fun, and right now I'm just not really in a good headspace mentally, so I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day for today. Hopefully next week's video, you guys will see me finishing this up. All right, y'all have a great rest of your day. I will see y'all out on the road. Bye.